Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Flutter, platform SDKs, and an active Firebase project. First, create the Firebase app for Android and iOS using your package or bundle ID. This links credentials. Once done, download Google Services, JSON for Android and Google Service Info, Plist for iOS, and place them in Android/app and iOS/runner respectively. Make sure to add the Firebase SDK versions in PubSpec. YAML now, because that prepares dependency resolution and avoids version conflicts later when you run Flutter. Next, integrate the Firebase libraries. Add Firebase Core plus Auth, Firestore, or storage as needed in PubSpec. YAML, then run Flutter pubget. On Android, update build. Gradle project and app to include Google Services classpath and apply plugin so the JSON is consumed at build time. On iOS, open iOS/runner. XC workspace, run pod install, and ensure app delegate calls Firebase app. Configure before other services. Once complete, initialize Firebase in main with widgets Flutter binding. Ensure initialized and await Firebase. Initialize app. Finally, run your app and watch the console. You should see Firebase initialize without errors, and then exercise features like auth or database to confirm connectivity. If things work, you're set. Otherwise, stop and verify configuration. Package ID must match, Google Services files must be in correct folders, and Android Gradle or iOS pods must be compatible. One key troubleshooting tip: if initialization fails, clean the build, Flutter clean. Reinstall pods or sync Gradle, then rebuild. This resolves most config mismatch issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.